Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. What's up, you guys? This is James. I'm back again for another unboxing. Today, we're going to be unboxing the i360 degree 5-in-1 grooming set. Basically, this is a razor where you can do your beard, you can trim your face, and you can also trim. These are going to be like the accessory. All right, you guys, I managed to take the paper off of everything. Hey, you guys, we're going to go through everything right here because I've got, it's good to read sometimes. So here we go. I've got the facial cleaning brush. Has a little cover here and it rotates. There's the facial cleaning brush. As you guys know right here, this is the nose and ear trimmer. Here's a cover right here. This cover goes on the additional right here. You pop that on like that. Boom. You clip it. And there it is, just like so. Put that down and you can pop that right off, like so. Also, you have additional combs here. And right here, you have the soft face sponge right here. Cleaning brush right here. And right here, you have the precision trimmer. So now, we've got all the technicalities out of the way. Let's get into the main event. Let me move a couple of things around here. Make room for you guys so you can see real clearly. What we got here is the main trimmer. There it is, you guys. Look at it. Look at it. Yes, sir. And here's the charging port right here. You put the charger right here and charge it up. Make sure I got it the right way. USB. Has a little button right here. You flip that up Here's another little trimmer. Here's the power button. Here's tells you how much battery you have, and then it tells you where's your charge. You turn this on, and you feel it rotating, like so. And then it comes out like this. So it fits into my hand real nicely. So I like that. So when you're using it, you do it like that. This is kind of neat. I'm gonna see how this works. This is just an unboxing video, but watch this video right here. I'm gonna show you. This is the commercial video that came with it, and you can see. But this is definitely feels good in my hand. Definitely gonna use this for shaving. But this is the unboxing of the i360% 4D grooming kit 5-in-1. So make sure you guys check out the link below. I'm always put the link in my description. You want to check this out. Definitely do your own research. This is the Guru for another unboxing. One thing I like about this shaver is that, because I just did a little demo, once you use this trimmer, it actually catches the hair. So what you do is you pop this off the main shaver. Actually, I can show you in real time. This just pushes back on like so. So all you do is just pop that off, and then once you pop that off and you use it, you just simply put your hand here in these grooves and you pop these off. And you just pop this off like so. Now make sure you clean it after each use, because this looks like it probably gets full pretty quick. But as you can see, I just used it, and there's my hair right there. So it catches the hair in here. So you definitely, doesn't look like it can hold a lot in each one of these. So you definitely want to make sure you clean it after each use. Right there. But I like it, you know, that you don't have hair falling in the sink if you shave over the sink. And basically the instruction manual says once you knock the hair out, you can just rinse this with water. But make sure it's detached from here. Do not, put it on here and run the water on it. You can just run the water right after you take it out. Then, like you say, you got another attachment right here, and you can just pop that on. Different types of attachments for you right there. So that's how you do it. It looks pretty neat. I'll let you guys know my process on it. All right, you guys, I've used it, and I can say I am thoroughly impressed with this. It's real nice. Look at my cut. Look at my cut. This is my cut I did this morning. This is my cut. Yes, you guys, this is a nice little gadget. It definitely works. What you have to do is you can't have too much hair. You have to, like I say, use the first trimmer first to get it down. Then once you get it down, you just use the roller to smooth it out. Because I've been cutting my hair for probably 15 years now. And I always call it the 2-day cut. Because when I cut it, it's always a little bit uneven and stuff like that. So you wait 2 days and it's all even out. So this right here evens it all out. So I would definitely recommend it. Make sure you guys click the link in the description. I will have it down there. I'd like to say thank you for watching the video. Glad you enjoyed the product review, and see you guys on the next one.